I am Anna Morgenstern, and I'm so excited to tell you about the 8-week online course that I have created for people that are interested in starting their very own bespoke, all online matchmaking business. This course is especially amazing for people who are currently working at matchmaking companies or worked at matchmaking companies in the past, people that are super connectors or always setting up friends and family, people that just love humans and have always thought about joining the dating industry. This is perfect for you. We have weekly videos, workbooks, assignments, and check-in calls where you'll connect with your other course participants and have their support, and you'll have all the tools you will need to become a profitable business before you even finish the course. You'll make back all the money you put in before you even finish, I promise you. I have some people going through the course right now, and one of which, she's making $50K a year at a matchmaking company, and we sat down together, we looked at her pipeline. She's able to make $50K in a week based on that. So it's incredible. It's life-changing what this can do for you. You can travel anywhere in the world, work for yourself. It's completely online, no overhead. It's an incredible opportunity that I'd love to share with you to give you freedom, to help bring more love into the world, and just fulfill your dreams of becoming an entrepreneur. I really hope to see you in the course, and fill out the form below if you'd like to set up a call so we can talk more about this.